What's up everybody, Abe here, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna put my GoPro Hero 7 Black inside the PRL High Volume Intake so you can take a better listen as to what it sounds like. All right, let's get started. I was waiting for the rain to go away. Finally, it has stopped raining so we can do this video. Let's pop the hood here, one-handed. Don't mind me. All right, so first things first, I gotta figure out a way on how I'm gonna get that intake or the GoPro inside here. And as you can see, there actually is kind of a lot of room at the bottom there. We might need to take this apart, but for the sake of the video, everything's on the table. Oh yeah, I hope you guys love my Baby Yoda there. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alright, so I took the GoPro out of the case there, and I feel like this is going to work, guys. Hopefully we get some nice audio coming from this GoPro, guys. So I'm gonna see if I can tape this down now. Be right back. All right, so instead of tape, I've opted for some zip ties. Let's see if I can chain some together and create a nice little lasso around the GoPro to get us nice and snug in there. Let's see how it's gonna work out. I'm literally trying not to remove the intake because I don't feel like it. Being freaking lazy. All right, let's see what I can do. All right, so this is what I worked up. I just zip tied it to this little gasket rubber piece here. We got a good little wide angle here. I'll be able to monitor what's going on in the GoPro through my phone, through Bluetooth. And all right, y'all, the moment we've been waiting for. Let's get her done. All right, here we go. Closing the hood. Uh-oh. Doesn't look like it hit. There we go. All right, so I was just previewing what it looks like with the hood closed, and it's way too dark. I'm gonna see if I can get a light inside the air box, and we'll go from there. Let's do it. All right, some good news. I found a flashlight. Some bad news. It might be a little too big, but I'm just gonna stick it in there, and I'm just worried it's gonna be rolling around, but whatever, let's get it done. All right, so I put myself quite in the dilemma. Dropped the flashlight in there and it's facing in the wrong direction, so there's like no light going to the GoPro, so gotta take the air box apart, unfortunately, but let's get to it. It's not that hard. All right, just took it apart. I kind of shuffled the box around and I got the flashlight to kind of point over here where the GoPro faces, so I think we'll be good. Now let's get everything put back together. My only worry is when I'm driving is that the little flashlight is just gonna roll around and it's gonna move out of place, but we'll see. All right, we are buttoned up and ready to go. All right, so I just took a peek at the GoPro. It's a little dark, but you can still actually see what's going on in there. When I go to edit, I'll brighten up the image a little bit more so you can get a better look. So let's freaking do it, y'all. I'm excited. So here we go. Oof. Let's take a look at what's going on inside in the air box right now. All right, so I was a little worried it was gonna be too dark, so what I did is I popped the hood. It's still latched on, it just popped, guys, so don't worry, but you get a good visual on it now. right, guys, so I just concluded my drive around with the GoPro inside the PRL High Volume Intake. I don't know what it sounds like quite yet, but I'm gonna go inside, review the footage, and I hope you like what you listened to, and I hope you liked what you just saw today in this video. So as always, don't forget to like, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. There's more content on the way. Hopefully it's entertaining to y'all, and I hope this also convinces you to buy the PRL High Volume Intake, man. Not only does it sound good, but it also performs a little better over the stock airbox as well. Recommend it, especially if you do like the whoosh noises, man. I personally love them. So hopefully this convinces you to get the intake. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Be easy, be safe.